So check this out, right? I was online the other day and just browsing around, just like looking at random stuff. And for some reason, I came across a cup holder, a 3D printed cup holder for the first gen IS300. Now, if you have one of those 2001, 2005 IS300s, you know the cup holder is very limited in what you can actually put in there. So let me show you what I found on eBay. So this is a 3D printed cup holder, like I said, and apparently the guy says you can use it for left-hand drive and right-hand drive models. It's got two different size holes. The smaller one for like your can sodas, that's pretty standard. But this big guy, well, let's see this big cup I normally take to work. Clearly would not fit in there. Fits like a glove in there. Look at that. This is a big deal for me because, like I said, the cup holders inside the IS, they suck. So, let's go outside. Let's go drop this in real quick. And if you like this cup holder, I'll leave a link either in the description, the caption, the bio, the comment section. It's going to be somewhere easy to find. So, yeah, I guess we'll back it up, make some space. So there's the factory cup holder for the IS. Let's see how small it is. This doesn't fit. Same cup from before. And you can take this out. And then you can make a big cup like this fit. But it still flops around. So let's change that. To get to it, we will have to take the center console up. There, well, not my car, but there's two bolts right there. A bolt down there that's also not in, and a bolt down there that's also not in. Let's see where else. And I think you gotta take the armrest off too. So you'll pop this cover off both sides. Should be a bolt that goes all the way through. And then I think you gotta lift up the arm e-brake, pull this cover up, and then the whole thing kind of just pops up from the back, slides out. All right, let's run that back. So I know everybody's car won't have this gauge pot set up, but these heated seat and the traction, I think there used to be a traction button here. You're going to pull this out. There's no bolts required for that. And then if you have an automatic, the trim panel that goes here is also connected to the cigarette lighter and the little ashtray. So you're going to pry up around here and get this popped up, pulled out, and then unplug your cigarette lighter and your little bulb for it. And then you also have a screw right there and a screw right there, and you should be able to lift this up from the back like so and pull it straight out. Cool. So after you pull the center console out, the other cigarette lighter in the back does have a plug. Make sure you unplug that, and then you can see right here our mounting screws for the cup holder are bam, bam, and bam. So we're just gonna unscrew those, screw this one in, put everything back together. We'll be good to go. All right, there it is installed. Looks pretty good. And like I said, fits my big cup pretty well. So if you want one, like I said, I'll have the link in the description, comments, bio, wherever. So go ahead and hit the link, go grab you one. It's off eBay, pretty cheap. All right, y'all take it easy.